impose conditions that may deter the accused from thinking of absconding. On the issue of interference with witnesses, in the Joktan case, the courts gave various scenarios of interference with witnesses, which I have captured, whatever the court stated. It is, in this matter, it is speculated that interference may even be directed to both the prosecution and defense witnesses. The possible defense witnesses herein may be parents of the accused who recorded statements having been the first responders at the scene. These are people who have been with the accused all along, such that the question of interference may not arise. As for the neighbors and security guards, upon release on bail by the lower court, there was the opportunity of the accused interfering with them, but nothing was rendered to suggest any manner of interference having occurred. What was established by the arguments of all parties herein is the conduct of the accused, who could not make any decision after the act. She was portrayed as having acted as a child who needed guidance. In this regard, cogent evidence was required to establish the allegations, which was lacking. In the case of S versus Ferre, it was stated that, and I quote, following inquiries carried out by the social officer show that secondary victims in the matter acknowledge the accused's constitutional right to bail or bond, but oppose her release on bond. They have denied having been threatened by the accused directly or indirectly through proxies. It is apparent that the victims are grieving because of what transpired, but there is nothing to suggest that the accused person's life may be in danger if released on bond. The upshot of the above is that no forceful or convincing reasons have been put forward requiring the accused person being denied bail. Therefore, I make orders as follows. The accused is granted bond of Kenya shillings 2 million with a surety in like sum. She'll be required to deposit her passport with the Deputy Registrar, the High Court Criminal Division. Travel out of the country, if necessary, shall be authorized by the court. Upon release, she will be barred from contacting witnesses who have recorded statements. In event that she disobeys conditions set, the state will be at liberty to apply for cancellation of the bond. Orders accordingly.